Hi History Unboxers! This month we are shipping out Japan Unboxed to all of our Middle Ages subscribers. So this booklet is the literature that's in the box, and today we're going to be focusing on one of the hands-on activities, which is the origami kit. The kit comes with instructions to do a cricket and also a samurai helmet, so today we're going to do the samurai helmet together. The kit comes with 4 square sheets of folding paper, and just so you know, this is my first time doing the samurai helmet, so you're not going to watch someone who knows what they're doing. You're actually going to see me go through the instructions just like you would. Okay, so step 1, we're just taking our square and folding it in half diagonally to make a triangle. Each of the kits come with the 4 squares, but there's a variety of patterns, so you might have different patterns than what you see here. So we have our triangle. We're going to move on to step 2. One thing I try to remember is that orienting my paper in the same direction that the instructions show is really helpful. So you're going to bring in those longer corners down to that right corner. Yay! And now we have our little square shape that you see in step 3. So I also like to look at the step ahead and see like, okay, that's going to be the outcome shape that I want to get. So that's helpful as well. So now it's telling me to bring these corners back up again. And when you look at your instructions, the arrows are telling you which direction to fold, but the dotted line is showing you where you're actually making that crease for the paper to fold. Okay, and so now we've folded up those 2 corners and we have the shape that we see illustrated in step 4. So now we are going to move on to step 4, and you're going to see again it shows you the crease. This is where you're folding, and it shows you the direction that you're going to take that corner. So essentially, just from the midline, we're going to do like a diagonal fold, and that's going to bring that corner outside of the square. Okay, so I adjusted my camera to bring it a little closer since these folds are getting a little smaller, and I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. So the same thing I did on the right, I'm going to do again on the left. So we're going to move on to step 5. You can see I have the correct shape. And then one thing to note is that the direction says only the top layer. So we're folding that bottom corner up, but only one layer of the corner. Again, the instructions show you the dotted line of where you're going to fold and the arrow of which direction you're going to be folding. Moving right along to step 6, you're going to see that it shows you where to do the actual crease for the fold and the direction, and it's the bottom of the triangle you just created. You're going to just move it up. And only 2 steps left. We are on step 7, and the directions say fold to the inside and then open slightly. So that back layer that we never folded up previously is now going to go actually inside of our hat. And we did it! This is the part where I am so excited, so proud of myself, and getting to experience what all of our learners get to experience every time they complete a craft, and you can just feel really proud and confident and ready to do the next activity. This was also a great reminder to me of why we have more and more high schoolers enrolling in our program, because even in adult age, these crafts are so fun